My name is Robin, and I'm in the clinical pathology one course in spring of 2020, and my ID number is 3274270. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a prothrombin time test, so it can actually help you determine if the patient has some sort of bleeding disorder or some sort of toxicity, and it evaluates it actually evaluates the extrinsic and the common coagulation pathways. And so the materials that you'll need for this particular test are a pair of gloves, your blood sample and sodium citrate anticoagulant tube or blue top tube, and your pipette tip and your cartridge. And you can do a prothrombin time test manually, but majority of the time it's done with these automated analyzers. So I'm going to get started. So you just hit analyze. And it's going to ask to insert the cartridge. So we'll take it out of the packaging and then we insert it this way. And so it's going to ask for the code that was on the packaging. So tap that in. And this is a dog. So hit done. And so now we're going to confirm that it was obtained in a citrate tube. And it's going to ask the patient's ID number. And then it asks for the patient's name. And we're going to hit next. And so now it's going to warm up the cartridge, and it's going to take about a couple of minutes to do. Okay, now we want to invert our sample a couple of times to get a good mixture of our sample before we add it into the cartridge. So now it's ready to add the sample. Just take a little bit of our sample, and we're going to place it here into this well until it's full. Okay. And so now it's starting to run both the PT test and the APTT test. And so that will take several minutes for that to finish running. Now that our test is complete, we have the results for this patient. So we were testing for rodenticide toxicity, and here for the PT, it's at 17.3 seconds, and normal range is about 14 to 19 seconds. So that's normal, so more than likely it's not a rodenticide toxicity for him. And if you were to have a prolonged prothrombin time, then it could potentially be associated with like liver disease or disseminated intravascular coagulopathy or an hereditary or acquired disorder. Also, the PT test is very sensitive to vitamin K deficiency and also to warfarin and toxicity. But more than likely with this test, he wasn't exposed to rodenticide. And so that's how we run the prothrombin time test.